Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a group chat polls on Instagram application. So if you have a group chat on your Instagram and you have a difficult time to decide something, you just need to go create a poll to help you make the decision. So you just need to open these button. So make sure you are stay in the home sections here, and then visit your DM section, and then you just need to find the group chat that you have. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look in this bottom side. There will be three options here, so you just need to go click the smiles icon here, and the top side there will be a poll, so you just need to click it. Now you just need to prepare the question that you want to ask into your group chat. So let's say here you have a difficult time to find a place. Just need to type the question and then just add the options. So you can just go click this add option section and then type the options. And the next thing you need to do is just go click create poll, and you just need to wait until your friend give their voice into the polls that you have been created. So that is the way how to create polls on Instagram group chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.